So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the machine learning mathematics. If you don't know what is machine learning mathematics, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it, what is machine learning mathematics. So please like this video, share with friends, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to all the notification bell also to miss our future latest videos. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's learn about what are machine learning mathematics. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the mathematics. So let's get started without wasting any time. The main branches of mathematics is involved in machine learning. Like first is linear functions, like second is linear graph, third linear algebra, fourth probability, and number 5 is statistics. Machine learning equals to mathematics. Behind every ML success, there is mathematics. Means any success of ML is behind is mathematics. All ML models are constructed using solutions, ideas from math. The purpose of ML is to create models for understanding thinking. If you want an ML career, machine learning career, so for that, data scientist, machine learning engineer, robot scientist, data analyst, natural language, and deep learning scientist. You should focus on the mathematical concepts described here, like linear function. A linear means straight, a linear graph in a straight line. A linear graph represents a linear function, like that. Graphics. Graphic plays an important role in math. Graphics plays an important role in statistics. Graphics plays an important role in machine learning. Now learn more about linear function in here. Linear algebra. Linear algebra is the bedrock of the data science. Knowing linear algebra boosts your ability to understand data science algorithms like scalar 1, vectors like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tensor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Probability. Probability is how likely something is to occur and how likely something is true. I have 6 balls. In a bag. 3 reds, 2 green and 1 is blue. Blindfolded. What is the probability that I pick a green one? Number of ways it can happen are 2. There are 2 greens. Number of outcomes are 6. There are 6 balls. The probability is 2 out of 6. Ratio 2/6 equals to 0.33333. Probability equals to ways divided by outcomes. Learn more about probability. If you learn more about probability, so tell me, I will make the video on it. Statistics. Static is about how to collect, analyze, interpret, and present data. Statistics works with questions like what is the most common, what is expected, what is normal, like that. Like that, there's one diagram. In this example, there is a probability of density like 99% here, 95.4% here, and 68.3% here. Like this is one standardization for the mean. Learn more about the static. If you learn more about the statics, tell me in the comment section below. But in today's video, I told you about the machine learning, what are mathematics. You must know the main branches of mathematics involved in machine learning are linear function first, number 2 linear graphic, number 3 linear algebra, number 4 probability, and number 5 statistics. I have all told you what are linear function, what are linear graph, what are linear algebra, what are probability, and what are statistics. Okay, so I have already told you that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like the video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bells so never miss our future latest videos. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.